So hello guys, welcome back to TSA, the Spirit of Automobiles. हमारे साथ आज हैं जास भैया. हेलो भैया, कैसे हो आप?
I'm good.
और so आज हम जास भैया के साथ इसलिए हैं, तो आज हम इनकी बाइक रिव्यू कर रहे हैं विच इज़ मीटियोर 650. So जास भैया, पहली चीज़ ये बताइए कि आपने बाइक चूज़ करने का डिसीजन क्यों लिया? लाइक what was the sole purpose of choosing this bike?
Yeah, I was always a biker, right? So my previous bike was Thunderbird, which I had for like 15 years. So I wanted to upgrade. And Royal Enfield, I've been a fan, so there's, you know, it's a very stable bike. So that is why when I saw this one, I just take a look and I just booked it. I didn't even take the test ride of this bike because I'm a Thunderbird fan, so I like cruisers, so that's why I booked it right on the first day.
ओके सो जैसे कि अभी हमारे व्यूवर्स तो काफ़ी जनरेशन यंग है, सो जिनको बाइक्स में इंटरेस्ट है एंड ये सब, सो डू यू रिकमेंड कि हमारी फर्स्ट बाइक ये हो सकती है?
हाँ, डिपेंड करता है यार. सी, एवरी बाइक इज डिफरेंट, राइट? एंड एवरीबडी हैज अ डिफरेंट चॉइस. सो इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट यू नो you go from a lower cc to higher cc. It depends upon you. This is a bike if you like touring to different places, you like cruisers, you like cruising. This is not a bike like I have to raise it at 200 300. This is a bike where you want to cruise, enjoy everything, go on long trips, rides. This is the bike that is actually the bike for.
Okay, so अभी आप इसके साथ हो गया आपको एक साल हो गया एंड द किलोमीटर्स दैट इट हैज रन इज नॉट मच.
या 3100
ज़्यादा है नहीं. सो लाइक वाइट कलर में आपने ली, सो वाइट का कुछ सिग्निफिकेंस है कि आपका फेवरेट निकला ये?
नहीं, मेरा है सिल्वर इज माय फेवरेट कलर. सो आई डिडंट गेट, देयर इज नो सिल्वर, it's only silver black, interstellar, so that is why I bought this. And my Thunderbird was also silver, and it was a lucky color because I had 0 accidents, so it just carried over.
अच्छा, सही है. nice, I like it. So moving on, 650cc इंजन,
right?
So ऐसा कभी लगा है इस इंजन में कि थोड़ा और पावर दे सकती थी कंपनी, या फिर is there anything missing in the vehicle?
No, yeah, for a 650cc this is a good bike because it is heavy also, right? You have to see all those dynamics of the bike as well. You can't have a 1000cc engine and then you'll have to change the entire bike according to that. So for 650, yeah, this is like pure heaven.
Okay, so let's talk about chassis. तो chassis का कुछ ऐसा लगा है कि it's giving out at some places, cornering के time?
Sometimes होता है in extreme heat, right? During summers there would be heat that you need to get used to. But if you are having, you know, riding gear and boots and all, then it's negligible.
अच्छा, तो heating issues तो मतलब
extreme
अच्छा
hot weather, like
45 degrees, like peak weather में बात हो रही है. But as in like winters जब चल रहे थे,
winters were normal. There's no issue at all. No issue at all.
So मैंने सुना, आप पहले भी कह रहे थे, बात बता रहे थे सस्पेंशन के बारे में. So how do you think the suspensions are like? मतलब for a cruiser it has to be on a softer side, क्योंकि आप बम्पी रोड्स और ये सब पे तो रेगुलर ही चलते रहते हैं. Obviously हम ऑफ रोड कर नहीं सकते इसमें, and obviously we cannot corner.
Right.
So hilly regions में कैसे काम हो रहा था आपका? Have you ever traveled to hilly regions?
नहीं, I have not done outward travel. But suspension का क्या है? First I had the split seat. That was the original seat. But that is not that comfortable. But if you have the touring one, then that part is neglected. So you see, on the bumps you have to go slow. You cannot expect a heavy bike, and if you are just going at 140 you will feel it, right? But if you are going at 60 you won't feel that much. With the touring seat it becomes comfortable.
Okay, so touring seat आपने as an accessory उन्हीं से लगवाया है मतलब?
हाँ, I had to buy it from outside. You can buy it from outside also, but I got it from Royal Enfield. See, the original manufacturer knows, right, their vehicle.
Yes.
So this is very comfortable. And for 2 people, if you have a pillion rider for a long drive, the pillion will also get back support.
Okay. ठीक, तो बैक सपोर्ट भी मतलब इंक्लूडेड मिला था?
हाँ, ये टूरिंग सीट पूरी है. This will cost you like around 12k with the backrest.
Okay.
Originally there is no backrest.
Okay, so talking about prices, How much did it cost you on road, like in Delhi?
This would be when I bought it, it was like around 430 or something. Abhi I think it is 435. Then I put accessories worth 40,000 on this. So this includes bar and mirrors, 6,500. Then there is the leg guard, that is 55 odd 100. Some card was there, I think 35 odd 100 ka tha. Foot pegs, it is touring foot pegs that are broader, back and front. So I think it is 2650 each for one. So 4 would be like 50, 750, 800 के हैं दोनों आगे पीछे के. And plus the touring sheet is 11,500.
अच्छा, I noticed कि आपके बाइक में वो भी नहीं है अभी फिलहाल, like windshield.
हाँ.
So windshield के लिए like wind blast तो काफी ज़्यादा लगता होगा. So is it manageable वाला है कि or you don't go to that much speed कि आपको उतना feel हो?
No, I go to that level also, but you know I am used to Thunderbird, right? So I am okay with the wind blast. But wind blast is usually for like the heavier, you know, the sport bikes, because you have to go low so that it does not curtail the speed. But I cruise at 80 to 120, so it is manageable. I was thinking of getting this when I'll go on a long touring. I'll have a windscreen. It is around 4,500.
Okay. Yeah. So अभी कुछ next ride planned है आपकी?
अभी I don't know. अभी तक तो मेरा कुछ है नहीं. But my brother was saying that he wanted to do Somnath on bikes. So both of us are thinking that we might go on that side. You should
definitely go.
Yeah.
You should definitely go.
Yeah.
So अच्छा, इसमें जो ट्रिपर मीटर दिया है, like what is about, like do you think it is effective enough कि it's just a gimmick, marketing gimmick for the bike?
No, trip meter में they have this speedometer on the one side and the other side is the this for you know, navigation.
Okay.
But the navigation works with the app. You have to download the app. It works. But if your data plan usually of all the telecom companies suck, right? So it breaks off. So once it gets disconnected, then it takes a while. You'll have to stop and then redo it.
So मतलब it requires attention.
Yeah. So it's rather, you know, if you know the roads, use your phone. You can use it also, but you know there are certain places in Delhi where right now the navigation is not showing up. So it's better to use your phone.
मेरे questions खत्म हो गए मेरे पास. इतना तो मैं सोच के आया था, इसके बाद कि मैं क्या पूछूंगा वो सोचने पड़ेंगे.
See, this is not for everyday riding. So if you are going, see, I work a hybrid model, right? So if people are doing hybrid, 2 days office, that's a good thing, good buy. Or you do Sunday rides, right? Or if you want to just be in Delhi, and you can.
इसको चलाने के लिए रोडें चाहिए बड़ी बड़ी. So saying मुंबई में नहीं चल पाएगी because रोडें पतली.
नहीं चलता भैया, देखो, it's you need to just get used to it. I also was like bit skeptic in the beginning, right? Because I did not take a test ride of this. But now it's okay. I'm used to it, right? So I can drive it whenever I want. If you want to have fun, then it is like go either in the morning early or at night. You will enjoy the bike. बाकी इसका वो है थोड़ा service cost is like, I'll tell you, it was like 4,000 for the first service. And then I think the second service is free, but you need to pay for chain lube and chain cleaning.
Consumables basically.
Yeah, consumables 100-200 होते हैं उसके. And then the third service which would be on 5,000. Then again you pay I think 3,600 or 4,000. So, but that depends on the kilometers and the timelines.
So generally क्या timeline है services की?
So पहली तो 500 पे थी. 500 or 1 month, whichever is earlier. The second one was like I think 6 months, or I think 2,500, something like that. And then the third one is due in April, 1 year or 5,000 km. If you have extended warranties, the parts would be replaced. So that costed me around 3,600 for extended warranty for 4 years. And you also get roadside assistance for 2 years.
So ये सब आपने ले रखा है अपने परचेज में?
हाँ, ये सब मैंने लिया.
So RAC की तो जरूरत पड़ी नहीं होगी अभी तक?
नहीं.
नहीं तो RAC का भी एक हो जाता कि.
हाँ, RAC is like 999 for 1 year.
नहीं तो how is the service, like RAC का सर्विस कभी आपके किसी फ्रेंड ने यूटिलाइज किया हो?
Yeah, usually what happens is I was in Canada, वहाँ तो मैंने यूज किया. It's just that they take the bike to the nearest dealer, nearest RE.
अच्छा, nearest dealership और
nearest
ओके ओके लाइक डिपेंडिंग मस्ट बी डिपेंडिंग ऑन सिचुएशन आल्सो ना कि पेट्रोल नहीं है या फिर कुछ नहीं
हाँ पेट्रोल होगा अगर वो पंचर वगैरह वो तो वहीं कर देते हैं बट इफ देयर इज सम स्टार्टिंग प्रॉब्लम्स एंड सम मैकेनिकल इश्यूज देन दे विल जस्ट टेक इट टू
द नियरेस्ट डीलरशिप ओके ओके अंडरस्टूड फाइन सो वेल एनीथिंग एल्स दैट वी एज अ व्यूअर्स need to know apart from the questions that I have placed or
yeah our bikes are like girlfriends like if you treat it right it will go for the long run right and everybody has a different
taste.
perspective and taste so it is not for everybody but it is for people who like going on big rides for travels and for outside travels for long distance this is a good bike because you won't feel it for at least 500 to 700 kilometers that is like a lot of kilometers for cruisers because your sitting position is pretty straight you have your legs in the front so it's like you're sitting on a sofa so it is only for cruisers cruising backpacking if you want to go you can have a lot of stuff on that so the bike is for those kind of people
okay nice so a question this question is like this is my personal question to you if not RE if not Meteor 650 which is another vehicle in the same class or you can say the same CC segment जो आप recommend कर सकते हैं
650 I think they say that I have not driven that इसी की Interceptor RE की है Interceptor that is also good for city rides but there is a dedicated position for Interceptor I think it's a cafe racer so for that I think that is another one because 650 class mein or if you want another one there is a versus 650 that is for again touring you can
touring purpose
it is for touring purpose that is another one 650 or there is I think they have a 1200 also if I'm not mistaken
versus 1000
yeah that is another one you can have because if you are touring long you can use that those are the ones
but 650cc is price segment mein to shayad I don't think so anyone else offering
650 yeah 650 are a bit expensive
like even if I switch to Ninja 650
yeah
I am still paying somewhere around 8 lakhs
yes
on road so yes so is price segment mein to I don't think so there is anyone who's giving us such good vehicle
see for touring and all those things you need to look at the dynamics right that is based on what will you use it for so that is the idea right some people ride alone like my brother rides alone right so he can use it right and you should be able to manage that
so any viewers जो हमारी वीडियोस देख के बाइक लेने का डिसीजन बना रहे थे प्लीज़ डू लेट अस नो कि कैसा रहा एंड कमेंट करके बताना भैया सच कह रहे हैं कि गलत कह रहे हैं ठीक है जाज भैया
हाँ बिल्कुल
सो इट वाज लवली सीइंग यू
या सेम हियर
एंड होप टू सी यू सून और जल्दी राइड पे चलते हैं
हाँ बिल्कुल
थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस
नो प्रॉब्लम
एंड थैंक यू फॉर योर बाइक
या
तो आज के हमारे स्पॉन्सर जाज भैया थे
नो प्रॉब्लम
हमारे बाइक स्पॉन्सर जाज भैया थे सो यस विल सी यू सून एंड राइड सेफ